Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make cabbage とソーセージのコンソメ鍋。Nabe, Japanese hot pot, is usually seasoned with Japanese seasonings like soy sauce and miso. But today, I'm using beef consomme soup stock, and I'm not using anything Japanesey. So I think it's much easier for you to replicate compared to other Japanese hot pot. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this hot pot. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Cabbage, carrot, and sausages. All as much as you like. 3 tablespoons of beef consomme soup stock, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. Before we get to the cooking part, just in case you're curious, this pot is called donabe clay pot. Clay pots don't work on induction heater, but this one has this plate and this plate. So it works okay even on the induction heater. Now, I'm making the broth first. So 3 cups of water and beef consomme into the pot. That was 2 and 1. The soup stock and slices of garlic. After I peel them, I keep them frozen. So this one is still frozen, but never mind. Let's just make thin slices. If you want to remove this green part, please go ahead and do it, but I don't really mind, so let's put it in the pot. And the broth is ready. Super easy. Let's get to the vegetable cutting. Cabbage in 2 pieces, rather big, other than the core of course. Into the pot. Let's make carrot into ribbons. So peel the skin. Stab fork here. Then keep peeling. The fork is to make sure you don't peel your fingers. Okay, let's use this carrot for other dishes. Carrot ribbons into the pot. And the sausages. Cover with the lid and just cook it until everything in the pot is well cooked. The heat is medium to medium-high. Cooked for 15 minutes. And looks like everything is well cooked. Let's turn the heat off and add butter. Some black pepper if you like. And cabbage とソーセージのコンソメ鍋 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。Let's have some sausages. It's very easy hot pot, using very simple and easy to access ingredients, but it's surprisingly flavorful and delicious. One last tip. After you finish everything in the pot, put some cooked rice and shredded mozzarella to make risotto. Yum! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Cabbage とソーセージのコンソメ鍋 is the main, so it goes here. I'm putting it here for convenience, but hot pot is something you put in the middle of the table and share. The hot pot contains a lot of vegetables, so let's pass one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. When we have hot pot, we normally pass the soup. Plain rice here, or like I said, you can make risotto using leftover broth. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!